This is the pet portal, and I'm super excited about this because it has a button on it that makes it really easy to use. And then you brush the dog and all the hair comes into the bristles so that it stays off of your carpet. My dog Shiloh has lots of fur, lots and lots of fur. And I prefer for the fur to be in the brush than in the trash can instead of on my carpet or all over my clothes. This is how easy it is to use this pet portal hairbrush for pets, like long-haired shepherds. This is Shiloh Amani, and he's super excited. He loves to get brushed. Watch this. You simply press the button, like so, and the bristles come out, like so. This slicker brush can be used for both cats and dogs. If you have dreaded cleaning your dog hairbrush, dread no more. It is so time-saving. As you can see, it's super gentle on his skin. He doesn't jump or run or have any issues because he loves how soft and comfortable these bristles feel. It's like a massage on his skin. It features soft angled bristles. Look at all that long fur. Lots of fur. I use it on the fine fur on his head with no problem whatsoever. It's designed to be enjoyable and yet time-saving. Look at this beautiful coat. Even on the sensitive places on his paws, he still doesn't have any issue because the brush is so gentle. It removes excess hair with little effort, and your fur baby will absolutely love you for getting this brush. It's designed to remove mats, tangles, dirt, and loose fur from your pet's coat. Brushing against the grain, no problem. Even on the tail. Shiloh Amani is so happy, and your dog will be too. This brush is wonderful. I absolutely love it. Getting under his belly, no problem. He's like, wow, Mom, did that hair come from me? We both love the Pet Portal dog brush. Look at all this dog hair that would have ended up on my carpet or on my clothes. We press the button like that and watch this. Whoa, oh my gosh, look at this. Lots of hair. Lots of hair that's not in my carpet or on my clothes. We think you will love this Pet Portal hairbrush for pets.